Hello dear students, I hope you are all doing good. Welcome to your geography class. We are doing chapter Asia. This is video 3. Our today's topic is physiography of Asia. Physiography is another term for physical geography. Physiography is the branch of geography dealing with natural features. Dear students, this is the map of Asia physical divisions. The one map is given in your book also. Please refer to that. Let's start with physical divisions of Asia. The first physical division of Asia is northern lowlands. Look at the picture, my dear students. The country shown in yellow color is Russia. Look at that very carefully and find out Western Siberian Plain or West Siberian Plain. This part is northern lowlands. The northern lowlands of Asia extend from the Ural Mountains in the west up to the Bering Strait in the northeast. These lowlands are triangular in shape and widest in the west, lying between the Arctic Ocean in the north and the Central Mountains in the south. They form the world's greatest continuous plains. Siberian Plain. The Siberian Plain is a large plain that occupies the western portion of Siberia. Siberia is a large region in Russia, between the Ural Mountains in the west and Yansei River in the east and by the Altai Mountains on the southeast. Much of the plain is poorly drained and consists of some of the world's largest swamps and floodplains. Poorly drained means that the rivers of this area do not reach the sea and they make the swamps. Swamps are also called marshland or marshes. In Punjabi or Hindi we call it daldal, and they forms the floodplains. Look at the picture, my dear students. You can see a floodplain on the left hand side, and the Siberian Plains location on the map of Russia is given on the picture which is at the right side. Turan Plain. The Turan Plain is a low-lying desert basin region stretching from the southern Turkmenistan through Uzbekistan to Kazakhstan. The lowland region lies to the east of the Caspian Sea and southeast of the Aral Sea in the vast Aral-Caspian depression, but extend to parts above sea level as well. It is one of the largest expanses of sand in the world. It is drained by Amur Darya and Sahyad Darya rivers. Dear students, in the Persian language, Darya means river. In Punjabi, we have adopted this word from Persian language, and in Punjabi, Darya also means river. Dear students, in the pictures provided, please locate Aral Sea, Caspian Sea, Turan Plain and Persia. Next physical division, Central Highlands. Highland means mountains. Highlands refer to the mountain ranges. So this area in the Central Asia have many mountain ranges which originate from the two central points, namely Pamir Knot and Armenian Knot. Mountain ranges includes Himalaya, Karakoram, Kunlun, Tian Shan and Altai Tag. Intermountain plateau Tibet is called roof of the world as it is the highest plateau in the world. Dear students, you have already studied what intermontane means. For your revision, let me tell you once again. A place which lies in between the mountains is called intermontane. So if a plateau lies in between the mountains, we will call it intermontane plateau. Tibet, which is the highest plateau in the world and also called roof of the world, is an example of intermontane plateau. Many high peaks lie in this region, like Mount Everest, which is the world's highest mountain peak, and K2, which is also called Mount Godwin Austen, which is the world's second highest mountain peak. Its height is 8611 meter above the sea level. Dear student, there is a very beautiful movie made on this mountain peak in which the mountaineers try to reach at the peak of K2, which is based obviously in Pakistan, as this area is now under Pak occupied Kashmir. So name of the movie is Vertical Limit. Please watch that movie. Dear students, this is the picture of Pamir Knot, from where various mountain ranges originate. It is a central point, that is why we call it knot. Please try to locate these mountain ranges which originate from Pamir Knot: Hindu Kush mountain range in Afghanistan, Karakoram in India, Kunlun in China, and Tian Shan in Central Asia, mostly in China. Armenian Knot, which is the second important knot, means the second central point from which the various mountain ranges originate. From Armenian Knot originates the Elbrus mountains, Zagros and Taurus. Dear students, this is the real life picture of Armenian highlands. Last but not the least, homework. Read page 99, 100 and 102. Page number 99 is part of extended reading, or you can say independent reading, to develop reading habits and self-study habits in students. Try to locate political and physical divisions of Asia on maps for practice provided to you on page 175 and 176 of your geography book. Must read all the topics in detail, as questions will be set from within the chapters as well. That's all for now. Keep watching. Thank you so much.